This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but the warranty on the compressor, which is the heart of any air conditioner, is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The units use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient as conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter, which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. They have electronic controls with a remote and sleep mode as well as a timer function. The A5406 model has an 8,000 BTU cooling capacity and a 3-speed fan to distribute the air, while the A4211 model has a 10,000 BTU capacity and a 2-speed fan. Both of those models are rather boxy looking, while the A4212 has a much more modern design with a 12,000 BTU cooling capacity. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.